Imitation of going into a field.
Alright, Frank. Wait right there, I'm gonna go pee.
Oh, okay. Oh, look at this little bumblebee buzzing. Not bumblebee. What the fuck? Hummingbird. Oh, look at him. He's so tranquil and nice. He just stands there. Oh, look at him. Yes, not a care in the world. But just to fly and look for stuff. There he goes. Bye, little friend. Bye, little friend. Well, there he goes again. Alright, into an uncharted field. I'm not too sure what lies in here, but let's see. Could be, whoa. Yeah, that's stuff that's been there for years. Fucking years. Dude, this has been growing out of control for fucking years. Has not been touched. And we're walking. Imagine if you're homeless, you could put a tent and just live up in this motherfucker. I want to know.